Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. Friends, in our house we had made a small fountain. So I would like to share how to make it with you guys also. So let's see how to make it. Friends, first take a plastic tray and make holes around it. I am taking three trays. You will get it in the nursery, friends. It is based on your steps. I am making 3 steps, so 3 trays. Friends, after making holes for all 3 trays, what you have to do is that take even a bowl based on the size of your fountain and keep it down so that we can insert the motor into it and water can circulate easily. See friends, this is an 18 watt submersible pump. It can pump 5.5 feet. Friends, we are making a 2.5 feet fountain. So, we are cutting the PVC pipe into 2.5 feet. If you are making more bigger one, then you have to cut it more bigger. Now what you have to do is that draw a circle in between each tray to insert the pipe. Friends, I have fixed an end cap for the pipe, and below the end cap what you have to do is that make couple of holes so that the water can come out and circulate. See friends, I am making holes. Friends, I am making holes in middle of the tray to insert the PVC pipe. Friends, now I am inserting the PVC pipe into the trays. See friends, we are decorating the fountain now. Yes, our fountain is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to Tanmai's Experiments. And also activate the bell icon to be notified by the upcoming videos.
Wow, it's beautiful.